here at the Make It event, the Canon customer event in Poing near Munich at the Canon production facilities. We are here together with Maurice Pardoel, the International Marketing Manager for Canon Print Media, the Canon Imaging Supplies Department. And I'm here to ask some questions about the Canon Print Media business. Maurice.
Hi, Janine.
Let's start with a more general question about print media. Why is Canon offering print media? What's the basic concept behind it?
As you can see here during this Make It event here in Poing, close to Munich, we are here with our customers, which are into professional print. And they live and earn their money with producing applications for their customers and their end users. And we as Canon, we provide all the elements so that the print providers can make a good application towards their end users. So in order to do so, we as Canon are providing the hardware, so the printers, but also the inks and the consumables like toners, also the software and the workflow services around, but also the print media are a very vital point of the application. So we as imaging supplies with our media are providing the perfect match for our customers between the machines, the workflow and the media in order to have a good application for our customers.
And how are you securing that perfect match between print media on the one hand side and the printers on the other side? What are you doing to secure that?
We have our own test laboratories in which we test and benchmark all kinds of print media for digital print. And in these test labs, we look at things like print quality, but also runnability on our machines. And not only the print-related aspects, but we also consider in the whole process, for example, the reputation of the supplier and the sustainability credentials of specific products and the supplier. So in that way, we are testing and securing and also approving media for our printers. And the beauty is that the knowledge during that process, we make that available to our customers so that they can benefit from that knowledge. And we do so by combining all that knowledge in our database, which is called the Media Guide. And by using the Media Guide, customers can easily find the right media for the right print application.
That means our customers are indeed saving time and money by using the Canon Media Guide findings for their work.
Yes, indeed, Janine. That's the whole idea. The full process of printing becomes a more reliable production process to do the production first time right.
And what's your concrete offering in print media and services to our customers?
First of all, indeed, we offer a very broad range of media and paper fitting all different kinds of digital print technologies. That ranges from A4, A5 papers into the more graphical sizes and grammages, but also media, for example, for high-speed inkjet printing or for our wide format business. Both the technical wide format for construction documents as well as for promotional graphics like outdoor or indoor promotional media. So the wide range of media is available at Canon Imaging Supplies, and on top of that we are also delivering services. For example, think of cutting services or converting services where we are cutting the media, for example, into customer-specific widths for certain applications, like for example, book print in the cut sheet sector. But also profiling we do to have the right profile for each and every media. Most importantly, I think, is the expert advice that we are delivering to our customers via our people in the sales organizations. They provide expert and knowledge towards our customers for a good advice to do their printing.
Thank you, Maurice. That was really informative. And in case you have become curious about Canon print media too, just have a look at our website and get in touch with us.